How to log out CapCut from all other devices. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to your application CapCut. Once you're logged into your specific account, head over to Me at the bottom right corner. Click on this gear icon at the top right corner. At the bottom, tap on Sign Out. Once you have been signed out, click on Tap to Sign In. Now you have to click on Sign In with Email. Now enter the email address associated with your CapCut account. Once you have entered, now what you want to do is, you need to click on Forgot Password. You will receive one verification code on your email address. Copy that code and enter it in the section that you are asked to. After that, you will be able to change your password. Create a new password for your account and then secure it. Once the password has been changed, your CapCut account will be logged out in other devices and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.